제가 추천하는 최고의 영어 단어는 market입니다.
market, 어떤 뜻인가요?
명사, 첫 번째, 일반적인 시장, 장, 두 번째, 특정한 상품의 거래량을 뜻하는 시장, 동사, 첫 번째, 상품을 내놓다, 광고하다, 소비자의 기호에 맞도록 내놓다입니다.
Market, in English, what does it mean?
It means a time when people buy and sell goods, food, etc., or the place, usually outside or in a large building where this happens.
What is your simple sentence?
My simple sentence is, I usually buy all my vegetables at the market.
Say the sentence that has the word market in your book, The Old Man and the Sea.
It was firm and juicy, like meat, but it was not red. There was no stringiness in it, and he knew that it would bring the highest price in the market.